At the Herat Women's Prison, the focus is on rehabilitation. There are sewing classes, literacy lessons, and carpet weaving in an effort to make sure the 147 women here have skills when they leave.
They're really taking care how to teach to the detainees to improve the quality of their life, even outside at the end of the detainee period.
This facility was built in 2009, financed by the Italian government and the European Union. A law on violence against women was passed that same year, but hasn't stopped the practice of jailing women like Adela, sentenced to 3 years for running away from home, an act that's not a crime, but is culturally unacceptable.
I went to the police to file a complaint. They brought me here to prison because I ran away. I was just out. I wasn't running away. I was on my way home when I was kidnapped.
Under Afghanistan's penal code, adultery or having sex outside marriage, including rape, are punished. About half of the women here have been jailed for adultery or related crimes. And even though they received vocational training, many are concerned about how Afghan society will view them after they've been freed. It's a society where modesty is expected of women. Just being in prison is a stigma some families can't forgive.
It is a big problem. Afghans have a certain honor. If their woman commits a crime when they see her, they could kill her. That's why the government has shelters.
80 children live here as well, including 4 infants born in the past month. At age 7, children must move to an orphanage and can see their mother once a month. A woman can be freed from jail early and perhaps remove the stigma from herself and her child by marrying. That's what Gulnash chose. Jailed for being raped and pardoned by President Karzai after a high-profile campaign. After nearly a year, she chose to marry her rapist. She says not for her, but for her daughter's future. This detention center offers education, even growth, but it cannot guarantee that the women here will have a future in an often unforgiving Afghan culture. Jennifer Glasse, Al Jazeera, Herat.